Hi dear friend, welcome back to my another video, and today in this video I'm going to show you how to install Audacity Autotune plugin for free. So let's start the video. If you record your vocal on Audacity, then you should use this plugin for make your voice or song special. It will make your vocal so cool. So for download this plugin, first of all open Chrome browser and search here GBST. Then go to this official website. Then scroll down and click on that download option. Again scroll down, then you will see here two options for download. First one is for 32-bit PC and another one is for 64-bit PC. So download any of this which is compatible for your device. I'm gonna download 64-bit because my PC is 64-bit. After complete download process, open your download folder. After that, select that zip file and click on right button. Then click on extract all. Then click on extract. After that, you will find here gsnap.dll plugin file. Copy it. After that, go to PC. Then go to C drive. Then open program files. From here, click on Audacity. Then click on plugins. Then paste here your copy plugin. After that, click on continue. Now your work is done. Minimize it and reopen your Audacity. Then record anything. Hi dear friend, welcome back to my another video. Then select this audio. After that, click on effect. Then here as you can see Gsnap Autotune plugin. Click on it. After that, you will see Autotune all feature on that Autotune plugin. So friend, I hope this video is helpful for you. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment and share. Thanks for watching this video.